frustrating at any time, but especially this time of year, is when you've got condensation built up inside the car.
Yeah, absolutely. And what that actually is it's just the moisture condensing on a cold windshield. So what we need to do is we need to get rid of the moisture off of that cold windshield so you can see and move on with your day.
I take tips from Mark Rober. He's a scientist in the States. He's pretty cool. And he's got 4 steps that he suggests anyone can do that will really speed up the time it takes to defrost inside. The first one?
The first one is to turn up the heat in the car. Hot air, it holds more moisture, so it'll pull the moisture off your window. Turn on your AC. The AC actually dries the air as it goes through the car.
You might find that some cars automatically bring the AC on when you put on your defroster. Don't try and turn it off. It's doing it for a reason. Third
step is air circulation. You don't want it coming from inside the car. That air is already humid. What you want to do is you want to bring it in from the outside. The outside air is a little bit colder, so it's got less moisture in it to begin with. And finally, unless it's raining outside or really bad, drop your windows a little bit. Yeah, it doesn't have to be wide open. We don't need to drive down the street at -30 with the windows open, but just a crack will bring in some nice, cold, dry air. In summary, getting rid of that fog on the windows, the fastest way: jack up the temperature, put on the air conditioning, don't recirculate the internal air, and drop your windows if you can. For Driving.ca, I'm Lorraine Sommerfeld. And I'm Chris Muir.